All right. In the last video, we discussed about this that parameters. Now let us continue. We will be discussing about the reporting part. Remember, we are generating the reports in three formats. One JSON file, one XML file, the other one is HTML file. The name is Cucumber report for the same and extension is different. Go over here, you could see all three reports are being generated. Okay, open your HTML file. Our reports something look like this so far. Okay, can we generate even better reports like graphs and all? Yes, we could do. Okay, that can be possible through one reporter called as Cucumber HTML reporter. Remember, we already installed this particular package very beginning of the series. You could see HTML, Cucumber HTML reporter. Now you click on any of the link over here. It will direct you to the GitHub page where it will give the all the information on this particular HTML report, how to use it. Okay, we will follow that. And the first one, it will come up with the four types of reports. One is a Bootstrap, which you could see something like this. And the other one is hierarchical features. It will look like this. And third one, foundation theme report. It will be something like this. And the fourth one, simple theme report. It will be something like this. But we are more interested in the first part. So how to generate the other types? It will be very easy. Okay. So we'll see that. Just scroll down, and make sure that you install your Cucumber HTML report npm I Cucumber HTML reporter, and you need to save it. Once it is done, you could see we will be having one file and we'll give the name as index.ts. Here the example is on JS. You could create the file in TS format also. So we'll create it index.ts, hit enter, and we'll copy this entire information. That's okay. Just paste it and remove all the unnecessary information. Okay. So as I said earlier, right, we can generate the report in four formats, right? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Simply by changing the options, you could change the report type also. That's very easy. So we are interested in Bootstrap. Now, this particular report generation purely based on the JSON file that is generated by our Cucumber framework. Okay, so this is the input to this particular module. Which one? For this. If you don't have JSON file, it is not going to generate it. Okay, so now where is your JSON file? I am saying that okay, this is present under the report section. You tweak this particular JSON file and generate the output for me. Okay, where is a path you want me to generate? So I'm saying generate at report section, and the name we have already Cucumber report, right? For the existing Cucumber HTML report, we are going to change it. We'll name it as a bootstrap.html. And these are all metadata. We will see how to change this metadata at runtime. Launch report, you want to open the report automatically when the report is generated. I will say I don't want to open it. I will open it manually. Let's keep these values as it is. Fail summary report. Yes, I want to keep it. And you want to generate it, you generate it. So should I need to run this run the scripts to generate the report? No, not needed. Right? If you have already existing JSON file, then also it will generate it. How? You could see we already created TS, right? So what I will do, I will simply say npx ts node index.ts. Now it should generate the file for us. So it is generating. You could see Cucumber HTML report generated successfully. So go to this folder. You could see this Bootstrap. Just enter or open. Now you could see the report has came with even more detailed. You have your graphs over here. You have your scenarios information here. You have your in detailed fail summary here. How many are there? How many failed and all? Right? This is past information. This is fail information. And you could see we have added the additional logs, remember? Right? So you can ask, should we need to download to see those contents? No, it is not mandatory. Okay. So you could see, let me download one and show you. Notepad. You could see these details. So should we need to download like this? No, not needed. We can control those things in the index.ts. Okay, we will change one by one and we will see how we can generate the reports even more efficiently. Okay, so now should we need to run this command manually every time? No, not needed. Right, all we need is we need to run this command. We need to run this command once our execution is over. Right, so where we can specify in the package.json. Here I can simply say once it is done, you need to, sorry, let me remove this. Okay, so node npx ts node index.js ts, sorry. What will happen once this execution is over and this will be picked up, right? So that automatically our results will be generated. I kept it empty so that we could observe. Okay, so cls and you run your entire suite. Okay, so where is that? Okay, npm test -env qa. Now if you run it, it will complete the execution. Once the execution is over, the other part will be executed, which is generating the HTML report. Okay, we will see that now. So execution should start. The execution is started. Second scenario. Okay, you could see execution is over. Now it is trying to execute this one, this part, this one. Okay, so it is continuing. Let's see. Now you can see Cucumber HTML report got generated successfully. You open this, you could see the report got generated. There are options will be there, whether you want this section or not, uh, how many scenarios you want to see within this particular table. One for the, you can see that there's a table. There are two cell values, this one and this one. How many you want? You want three, three will come. If you have 10, 3, 3, 1. Like this, you can decide how many features you want to display in each cell. And more importantly, this is the metadata. Parallel scenarios, browser version is this, app version is this, environment is staging, and this one. But these are all hard coded. Remember, go to your index.ts, these are all hard coded. But this, which browser we want to execute, which version is this, which environment is this, these are all the information present here. You can grab from here. How can we change that? We will see in the next video. This video we have seen only how to install. We already installed it, to be honest. Okay, and how to start with it. Simply create your TS file or JS file, whatever you want, and provide your path of your JSON file and provide where you want to generate your HTML file and give some options as this. So we need to run this particular command and this particular file module so that our reports will be generated. How we have done that? In our case, we have appended to the existing command. Once the script run is over, we just run this particular file so that the reports get generated automatically. You can try with the different options, but I like the first theme that is called as Bootstrap. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.